guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air VAPORMAX MOC ROAM. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike Air VAPORMAX MOC ROAM. We got this in the Lightstone colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's European 42 and it's a men's US 8.5. So just a little look at the box. It sort of comes in the Nike brown box and you can see like all the little swooshes all around. The sneaker itself, here they are. Now, I do prefer the black version of these sneakers. It gave me more of that tech ninja fit, you know, like wearing your Nike Tech Fleece and that. I think it suits it much better. But these are dope in and of themselves. Very nice sneaker, good silhouette to have if you're into like a tech fit or looking to that utilitarian wear. Just want to mention about the obvious midsole unit. It takes the VAPORMAX chambers, the Air Max midsole. So we have done the Scorpion Air Max, so do check that review out. It's more or less the same technology used. If you want to like an in-depth review of the first time you see that VAPORMAX midsole like this. But if you're here for the VAPORMAX MOC ROAM, you're in the right place. We're going to go through all the material details right now for you, starting with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole. You can see essentially it is also take shape of the VAPORMAX bubbles that surround the sneaker that make the main midsole unit. But you can see all the traction patterning all around. It's in this like yellowish colorway. And then you look at the midsole itself. This midsole is an exposed VAPORMAX midsole with a big Air Max unit all around. Great for the cushioning. And if you look at the upper, so this upper is made out of synthetic materials. Like I said, it's got that utilitarian look about it because it looks very techy. Essentially, you can just slip your feet on. And that's why I would prefer if it was in an all black colorway. And I'm seeing a lot of this right at the minute. I'm seeing a lot of tabby styles. So, you know, the split toe. I think this would look dope with a split toe. But that's just me just being really specific about the looks I want for this sneaker. Because again, I want to have that Tech Fleece inspired look, that utilitarian look. You know, I forgot what it's called. It was a big thing back in the day. Like the whole acronym movement that Nike had as well. That's so dope. Anyway, I'm just rambling on about past fashion styles. So we'll focus more on this sneaker. So as I mentioned before, you can just slip your feet in. There's no lace units here. The shroud itself that the sneaker surrounds itself in is all nylon, and you can see like heat pressed plastics to make the guards. So you can see around it on the mud guard there, and all around the paneling on the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker. You got a swoosh at the heel that can be found on the lateral side. Medial side, not much decoration. At the back, you have a pull tab made out of synthetic materials. It's like synthetic nubuck from Nike. Great cushioning. If you look at the heel on the inner. Pull tab around the tongue. Again, as I mentioned, there is no laces. And it's essentially a sock that is surrounded with the shroud. So it's like a neoprene sock liner. You can find it was famous by the Huarache, so it reminds me of that. And if you look at the insole here, you got a foam insole made out of synthetic materials to round off the sneaker. So again, I wish I had the all black pair to go with like some tech wear looks, but alas, we got this pair. It's dope in and of itself. I really like the colorway, regardless of it not being black, but I think it will be better in black. That's just my personal opinion. And I think it would be dope if you had a split toe. So if anyone from Nike is watching, and we know that you are, consider a little tabby right there for you. And any royalties, throw my way. You heard it here first at Oneupreviewz from your boy Gerald. I'm gonna try these on for you. Roll that footage of me trying these VAPORMAX MOC. I think I got the name wrong, but you know what you're here for. Roll that footage. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike Fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. They are very comfortable as well. My toes are where they need to be. These look really dope on. Again, as I mentioned beforehand, I wish we had the all black pair because it would look better. And I wish I had this tabby split toe because I look like a ninja for that tech wear fit. In regards to fit, we've done like loads of slip-on ones. I think this is probably the best slip-on Nike that we tried on. And it's such a shame that we weren't able to get the black pair, but that's a debate for another time. That's a fight for another day. But yeah, these are really cool sneakers if you're looking for a slip-on that looks dope. I recommend that you get these VAPORMAX MOC ROAMs. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing as well, I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.